Struggling with weak, peeling, or brittle nails? These 14 simple tips will change your nail game for good. Dry nails break easily. Moisturize your hands and cuticles daily, especially with creams containing urea or vitamin E. File in one direction only. Back and forth motion causes peeling. Short, neat nails are less likely to split or tear. Trim regularly. Cutting cuticles can lead to infections. Gently push them back after a shower instead. Limit acetone-based removers and give your nails a break between manicures. Massage your nails and cuticles with a hand cream or moisturizer to promote growth. Your nails reflect your diet. Include a mix of fruits, vegetables, and proteins in your meals. Never use your nails to open cans, scrape surfaces, or peel labels. It causes micro tears and splits. Habits like nail biting or picking damage the nail bed and slow growth. Use a base coat every time you paint. It protects your nails from staining and adds a strengthening layer beneath polish. Whether at home or the salon, always sanitize clippers, files, and buffers to prevent fungal or bacterial infections. Always trim hangnails instead of pulling them. Pulling causes bleeding and opens skin to infection. Trim gently with sanitized cuticle scissors. Buff nails lightly once a week to smooth ridges and improve shine, but don't overdo it or it'll thin the nail. Horizontal lines, spoon-shaped nails, or extreme brittleness can indicate internal health issues. Never ignore long-term changes.